So welcome back to my AKS online classes. Hope you all are doing well. So we are discussing about operations on set. We first discussed the union operation and its property. The next operation we are going to study is intersection of sets.
Intersection of a set gives another set which contain elements common to both the set. Clear?
That means when we are taking the intersection operation on any two set, that operation gives a new set, that set containing only the element common to both the set A and B. That means എയിലെയും ബിയിലെയും കോമൺ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് മാത്രം എഴുതുന്ന ആ ഒരു ഓപ്പറേഷൻ, കോമൺ എലമെൻറ്റ്സ് മാത്രം എഴുതുന്ന ഓപ്പറേഷൻസിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്, ഇൻ്റർസെക്ഷൻ ഓപ്പറേഷൻ അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഇൻ്റർസെക്ഷൻ ഓഫ് എ ആൻഡ് ബി എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Okay, the intersection is denoted by the notation like this, and this is read as intersection, and we have two set A and B. We are taking intersection operation, then we written as A intersection B. Okay, A intersection B. What is the definition of A intersection B? A intersection B is equal to, in set builder form, for all elements of X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. That means in intersection operation, the set consists of the elements common to both A and B. Aക്കും Bക്കും common ആയിട്ട് വരുന്ന എലമെൻസിനെ ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന ഓപ്പറേഷൻസിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് പറയുന്നത്, ഇന്റർസെക്ഷൻ ഓപ്പറേഷൻ എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. Next we are going to see some examples. Let A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is another set. We have 6, 8, 10, 12. When we are taking A intersection B, we know that A intersection B is another set which consists of common elements of both A and B. What are the common elements of both A and B here? 6, 8 is common in both the set. So 6, 8 is the another set. That means A intersection B is equal to 6, 8. Clear? So the next example, A is equal to the number from 1 to 10 and B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. So find A intersection B and show that A intersection B is equal to B itself. So first we are going to find what is A intersection B. What is A intersection B here? A intersection B is the set consists of common elements of both the set. Here 2, 3, 5, 7 is the common element because it consists in both the set A and B. So the answer is 2, 3, 5, 7. We know that that's equal to B itself. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് B ആയത്? The set B is a subset of A. If a set B is a subset of A, then A intersection B is equal to B itself. Okay. If any set B is a subset of A, ഈ B എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് എയുടെ സബ്സെറ്റ് ആണെങ്കിൽ A intersection B എന്ന് പറയുന്നതായിരിക്കും B തന്നെയായിരിക്കും. Okay, clear ആയല്ലോ? So next we are going through the Venn diagram of A intersection B. What is a Venn diagram of A intersection B? So we know that the definition of A intersection B is A intersection B is equal to the common elements of both A and B. So we are drawing a universal set by using a rectangle, and we are drawing two sets A, B. We know that A intersection B is equal to the elements common to both the sets. So this is the A intersection B. Clear? So A intersection B is a set which consists of common elements of both A and B. That is for all elements of X such that X belongs to A and X belongs to B. എയിലും ബിയിലും ഉൾപ്പെടുന്ന കോമൺ ആയിട്ടുള്ള എലമെൻസിനെയാണ് നമ്മൾ A intersection B എന്ന് പറയുന്നത്. This is the Venn diagram representation of A intersection B. Clear? Next example, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7. We know that A and B are disjoint set. A and B are disjoint set. That means there is no element common to both the set A and B. So what is A intersection B? That's equal to 5. That's equal to null set or void set. Okay. So if any two set A and B which doesn't contain any common element, so the intersection is equal to 5 or null set. So what is the Venn diagram of this example? Venn diagram, we have taking two circle separately because AB, because there is no elements common to both these set, and we are marking 2 4 6 8 here, 1 3 5 7 here, and A intersection B for this is 5, that is null set. Clear? So in the first example we are going to draw the Venn diagram. So A is 2 4 6 8. We discussed this example. B is equal to 6 8 10 12. And what is A intersection B? We know that the common elements of both the set. That means here the common elements are 6, 8. So we are going to draw the Venn diagram. So first we are drawing the universal set U and draw two circle A, B. And here what is A intersection B? This area is A intersection B. So this area we are marking the common elements 0.6, 0.8. So this is the A union. So A union Allah. So A intersection B is equal to 6, 8. Clear? And the next example, A is equal to 1 to 10 and B is a set B 2, 3, 5, 7. And from this we can easily say that B is a subset of A. So what is the Venn diagram? So what is the intersection? A intersection B is equal to B itself. That means the elements of B 2, 3, 5, 7. So next we are going to draw the Venn diagram of this. First we are drawing the universal set, and first we draw the circle A, the set A, and we know that
B is a subset of A. That means all the elements of B is present in the set A itself. So we are drawing a circle inside the set A. So 2, 3, 5, 7 is present in the set A itself. Okay. So B is a subset of A.
That is why this is known as the subset. B is a subset of A. Then what is A intersection B? A intersection B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. This is the Venn diagram of A intersection B. When A intersection B, when B is a subset of A. B is a subset of A ആണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ Venn diagram എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇങ്ങനെയായിരിക്കും. So it's clear? So the next topic we are going to discuss about is properties of intersection operation. So the last class we discussed about the properties of union operation. The same way there is some properties for the intersection operation. The first one is commutative property. What is commutative property? A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. The same as in the union operation. A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. That means A intersection B എടുത്താലും B intersection A എടുത്താലും എന്തായിരിക്കും? Same ആയിരിക്കും. Let us consider an example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. B is equal to 2, 3, 4. What is A intersection B? The element common to both A and B is 2, 3. What is B intersection A? The element common to both B and A, that is 2, 3. So this law is known as commutative law. The next is associative law. What is associative law? A intersection B intersection of C is equal to A intersection of B intersection C. That means we have three set A, B, C. First we are taking an intersection between A and B. Then we are intersecting that result with another set C. That the result is same as A intersection of B intersection C. Clear? Example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, B is equal to 2, 3, 4, C is equal to 3, 4, 5. And what is A intersection B? That's equal to elements common to both A and B is 2, 3. Okay, what is A intersection B intersections? A intersection B intersection of C. We are combining A intersection B with this set C. What is the common elements of this set? 3. So intersection B intersection C is 3. So next we are considering what is B intersection C. B intersection C is the common elements of B and C is 3, 4. For the set is 3, 4. Next we are intersecting this set with this element A set. That is A intersection B intersection C is equal to, what is a common element here? 3. So we can see that A intersection of B, A intersection B in intersection C is equal to A intersection of B intersection C. That law is known as associative law. And the third law, the same as in union operation, law of phi and law of U. What is law of phi here? Phi intersection A is equal to phi itself. That means when we are operating an intersection operation with a null set, with any set, that result is given null set itself. That means phi, we know what is phi. Phi is a null set. That means doesn't contain any element. When we are intersecting with any set A, 1, 2, 3, what is the result? that is equal to phi intersection A. There is no element common to both these sets. So the result is a null set, that is phi. This law is known as law of phi. And next is
Law of U.
that means when we are intersecting any set with a universal set U, U intersection A is equal to A itself. Why? Because A is a subset of the universal set. We know that for any set A is a subset of universal set, then U intersection A is equal to A itself. Example, U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. A is another set 2, 3. We know that all the elements of A is present in the universal set, and we can say that A is a subset of universal set. Then U intersection A is equal to A itself, that is a subset itself. This law is known as law of universe. Clear? So the last property we are going to discuss is distributive law. What is distributive law? A intersection of B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. That means here we can see that the intersection operation is distributed over union operation. Okay, that is A intersection of B union C is equal to A intersection B union A intersection C. Go through some example. A is equal to 1, 2, 3. A set B is 2, 3, 4. And C is another set 3, 4, 5. So we are taking B union C. What is B union C? B union C is the set consists of all the elements of B and C, that is 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then what is A intersection of B union C? We are taking the intersection operation with A and the B union C. So we know that what is a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, and what is B union C? 2, 3, 4, 5. What is A intersection of B union C? The common elements of these two set, that is 2, 3. So the answer is 2, 3 here. And what is A intersection B? A intersection B is the element common to both these set 2, 3. And what is B intersection C? The element common to both these is A intersection C is the elements common to both A and C is 3 only. And what is A intersection B union of A intersection C? That is 2, 3. The element 3 is repeated, but we are taking only one. So this law is known as distributive law. In distributive law, the intersection operation only follow this distributive law. The intersection operation is distributed over union operation. So this is all about the properties of intersection operation. So it's clear for you. So the next class we will discuss about the difference of sets. സോ ക്ലാസ് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. സോ ദ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ക്ലാസ്സിൽ പുതിയൊരു വീഡിയോ വരുന്നതായിരിക്കും. എല്ലാവർക്കും ബൈ. താങ്ക് യു.